Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So first of all, I'll show you how to turn on this option fastly and then how to customize it. So all we have to do is to unroll the top bar, and right here we have to find the proper icon, which is the reading mode. So the eye comfort mode is called reading mode in this device. All you have to do is to tap on this toggle on this icon, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So I highly recommend to use this mode if you're a night owl and you like to use this device at night. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on this option, and the screen will get back to its normal state. Usually, if you will tap on it and hold it, your device will transfer you to the settings, so you can customize it. However, I'd like to show you a full path in case that your device will not do it, will not transfer you. So all you have to do is to enter the settings, and in this left section simply scroll to find the display. Now we have to tap on reading mode, and of course we have to turn it on before we will be able to customize it. Probably right now you can see the changes better. So in this device we've got two different modes which we can use, so the classic one and the paper. The only difference between them is the background, and in the paper one we've got this sharp background, just like the paper texture. Let me start with the classic option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the switcher, which will allow us to change the color temperature. By going to the left we can make it cooler, so to be honest there is really a small difference between the coolest setting and the reading mode turned off. And here we've got the warmest option, and we've got also the preview with those colors with the crayons, and thanks to this we can check how this mode will affect the colors. Of course, set the temperature just like you want to. Let's go back and let me show you the paper option. I'm not really sure if you can see the difference, so if you can see this paper texture, but trust me, there is here. So let me enter this option to show you the customization, which is pretty similar. So here we've got the color temperature again, up to you which option you want to set, and the texture. So here we can, by going to the left, we can blur it, and by going to the right, we can make it much sharper, so you can really see the paper in the background. You can also change the colors, and here we've got the full colors, light colors, and black and white. After tapping on light colors, you can see on the preview that the colors are a little bit dull and washed out. So if you do not like vibrant colors, this mode is totally for you. What is more, we can change it to black and white, and everything will be monochromatic. Of course, you can restore defaults, so everything will get back to the default options, and you can schedule the reading mode, so you don't have to manually turn it on and off. Just by tapping on the switcher, you can pick from two different options. You can custom the period, so you can pick the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply those hours. Or you can pick good night's read, which simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sun sets and sun rises, or I believe it is location based, and basing on the location, basing on the time, it will turn on and off this mode. Up to you, really just pick the option you want to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.